cared much for winter. Ice and snow leaves me totally cold. But something's up each year in December. I love it like a miner loves gold. It's never about the presents, the turkey or the Christmas tree. It's all about that glow in my baby's eyes. It lights a fire inside of me. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Just listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. All the deeds that I do to please her, ain't a thing that I wouldn't do. I give my babe whatever she wants. I catch a reindeer if she wants me to. My baby's got a thing for Santa. She blushes and she giggles whenever he's near. I grow myself a beard in time for Christmas. I keep it throughout the year. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her.
In the baby seat. How is it innovation? Imagine Alexa shook her skirts and the baby goes flying into the wall.
Crazy about Christmas. I must admit it's starting to grow on me too. Baby's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy this Christmas. She whispers in my ear, hey Santa, come here. Please make my wish come true.
Hello, it is a Sunday morning. I decided to just do a Christmas reset kind of thing for this week's video. I have been feeling a little low and a little stressed and just confused. Well, I guess I'm just like really stressed out about what the future is holding. I'm just, you know, it's the end of the year and you're thinking about life and you're thinking about where life is and where life is going, and I'm not feeling too optimistic right now. So I thought the best way, at least for me personally, to cheer myself up is doing Christmas. I was going to wait until Thanksgiving, which I hadn't realized Thanksgiving was going to happen at the end of the month. I thought, you know, usually Thanksgiving is what, like the week before the end of November, and this year it's at the very end of November, and that has me so confused. So technically I am right on time with when I would usually decorate my apartment, but because of how this year is set up, I am earlier than I usually would. I've already have done a couple of shopping trips. The Friday before this recent Friday, I went after work with one of my coworkers to World Market to do a little Christmas shopping. And then we went over to Banana Island, which was so delicious. We had 2 tofu dishes that, like, the way the tofu was cooked, it was very different. It was really good. I would totally go again, especially because I really liked the appetizer. I think it was an appetizer. Honestly, I went there and she was like, you know, are you okay if I just order, like, and, you know, I was like, girl, go for it. I am here to try, and if you say it's, you know, this is the best items on the menu, like I'll trust you with it. And so that's how I ended up trying the food that I did, and that's why I don't know what items we even ordered. And then like the next day I was here by myself, so I ended up going to Ross first, and I found a few items surprisingly. Usually the Ross downtown is really great for clothes shopping, shoe shopping, purse shopping. Like, I don't know, they get a lot of great items. I personally don't really like hitting up the clothing aisle because it's so packed, but I always go to the housing. It's my favorite section in almost every store, and this Ross doesn't really have a lot of decoration, at least like where it's my personal taste. And then I went to Target, found a few items, and then yesterday I hung out with my friend Nicole, who I featured in the past on some of my vlogs, and hit up Marshall's, Home Depot, had some ramen, and then hit Target once again, and I found more stuff at Target. Not that much, like I didn't go crazy. I think I was able to be like, okay, we gotta reel it back, because where are we going to store all this stuff? Like, once Christmas is over, where are all these items going to go? With all of that being said, I have a bunch of Christmas decor from the past and present. I also did buy a Christmas tree, which was delivered on Wednesday. I do love the tree that I had last year, but it's too big for my apartment in terms of like the width. It's too wide. And so I just couldn't do that anymore. I tried it out for a couple of years because I bought it in 2020. It's a beautiful Christmas tree. It's just not, it's perfect for a house, not an apartment like mine. Or if I had a huge apartment, then it would be perfect. So I downsized to something a little slimmer, to a slimmer tree. I would link it down below. I mean, I can still link it down below, but it is currently sold out because Target had that sale. Before we continue, I should probably introduce myself. I feel like I went on such a rant and forgot to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Brenda. I work and live here in currently foggy, cloudy, gloomy San Francisco. And usually on my channel, I post vlogs about how I'm navigating my life in my 30s. And every now and then I might include a makeup tutorial or a DIY, or at least I did in the past. And as of last week's video was about how I became a paralegal without a paralegal certificate. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it somewhere in this video. But I did get this package a while ago. So BART, our Bay Area Rapid Transit, and Muni, Municipal something. They release Christmas stuff for each holiday, and last year the Christmas sweater for Muni was really pretty. This year I didn't like Muni's, but I did like BART's Christmas sweater, and I don't have an ugly Christmas sweater anymore. Finally opened this up. Like I said, I ordered it months ago. Yeah, so the sale went on in the beginning of July, so that's when I ordered it. And I ended up ordering 2 items. One, look at that. That is precious. Oh my god, that is so cute. So I ordered a BART beanie. I don't really have that many beanies. Well, okay, I do have beanies. I need to wash them, but they're in my closet because it never gets so cold, or at least in the past couple of years, it's never been so cold where I need a beanie hat. But oh my god, look how cute. That's so cute. And then here is the Christmas sweater. Again, I think last year's Christmas sweaters were so much more cuter, but also I was like, I do need a Christmas sweater. And these are like once a year limited edition. Look at that. Oh my gosh, we're going to be styling. Maybe I should wear it for my Christmas party at work. I did buy an extra large just to be extra cozy. But yeah, these are, look at that. That is so cute. That is it. I am gonna go and eat some lunch. I haven't eaten lunch. I've been really bad about eating recently. Could be because I'm a little stressed out. But I want to go and eat, and then I do have to clean around the area because I made a mess yesterday, and then rearrange the living room so that we can start setting up the Christmas tree. Hopefully it all goes good because things have not been going great recently. But yeah, see you in the next clip.
Feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive it. No. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special.
Hello, so it is actually Tuesday, and I think I was going to try to finish decorating, but it is Tuesday and tomorrow I have to go into the office, and with the time change, I've been like productive, but not this type of productive, because I guess like my brain is like, it's dark outside, don't make a lot of noise, like do stuff that is a little quieter. So instead, yesterday I think I spent most of my evening just cooking. With that, I do think I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Wasn't exactly what I wanted. I still have not finished with the Christmas tree, but I also don't want to wait to put out a vlog until the Christmas tree is up, because I am current on the, like literally the vlog when I post it like tomorrow is literally the day. Like I'm not a week behind, I'm like literally very current. I do want to post something this week, and I also want to make sure that I keep up with my post. Tomorrow's the 20th, and so that means that next week the 27th would be my last regular type of post. I am planning on doing Vlogmas because I celebrate Christmas on the 24th and Thanksgiving is like really weird this year with it being at the end of the month. Ideally, I would want to start Vlogmas on that Friday, which is still November. But that way I am 2 days ahead, like essentially make up the 2 days that I cannot participate in Vlogmas because I will be doing Christmas on the 24th and the 25th, and I'll be with family, so I don't want to vlog family. Same thing for Thanksgiving, I don't want to vlog my family. From there, I'm going to, I guess, jump in to Vlogmas, which is kind of exciting. I had considered not doing Vlogmas, but I was rewatching the Vlogmas from Fly with Stella, her like 27, I'm really into nostalgia, so I think it was her 2017 Vlogmas, and I was like, oh, like it must be so nice to look back, you know, and then see what you did during that year and just capture what that year looked like. So that was kind of my deciding point to continue doing Vlogmas. This is the second to last regular vlog before we start Vlogmas, which is it's intimidating. I am concluding the vlog here, and I will hopefully catch you in the next one.